Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Genius Gentleman. Here I am again making this video on the cold start, or you can say the battery of this vehicle has been drained out. As you can see, the instrument cluster is also not responding. Since this vehicle has been started from not started from last 2 months, and I expect the battery has been drained out. So today we will again start this vehicle with a Hummer jump starter kit, which I am already communicated with you and have shared one video. In that video, it is a very short video. I am again explaining the same, how to make it started and how to use the jump start kit. This is the jump start kit for which we are talking about. This is so powerful that this can start a car or a van with having 3.5 liter engine in petrol and 2.0 liter in diesel. Let's start and we will show how we can start our Royal Enfield Thunderbird with this jump starter kit. In this jump start kit we get one power bank and one battery terminal connector, and we will use these two things to start my motorcycle. Let's see. Now you can see I have connected the terminal, negative with negative and positive with the red one, the positive terminal, and the signal, the green signal is showing here. This is the whole connection you can see. And now we will kick start the engine. Just hold on. Here you can see the instrument cluster started working. Now I will kick start. It started. Now immediately we have to remove these terminals. Now you can see the vehicle has started. We will keep it started in idling. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment for any other queries and we request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you again.